Outdated and inefficient methods will kill your business. That is a fact. AI is evolving so quickly, you need to stay updated with the AI tools that are going to allow you to scale very quickly and automate processes very efficiently so that your business is going to run very well. And today, that is exactly what I'm going to be going over. Most people don't do this. Most people, they just follow some older methods or older skills that they have learned and don't change things up, don't evolve, and don't adapt. However, and this is exactly why they're left behind in the dark, or they continue to spend hours on simple generation methods which are simply outdated and inefficient. One example is Comfy.ui. Very, very old. You do not need Comfy.ui nowadays to generate good, effective content. That is not needed. However, most people still teach it in their courses or little PDFs or go on about it in YouTube. You don't need all this complicated nerd stuff that takes hours to do, hours to generate, hours to set up. What is the point? Let's go over some basic ways on how to automate AI creation and reel creation so that you can make your business a lot more efficient. So firstly, I'd recommend having an AI model fully set up. Having an actual model ready to be able to give to a VA and tell them to crack on is going to help out a lot. You don't specifically need a VA, you can use this software yourself, but once you understand how it works, you can use a VA very, very easily. So when it comes to image generation, you'll be using something called OneLink. This is a software that basically allows you to scroll through Instagram and click any image that you want, and then it turns it into your model automatically, a one-click AI image generation method. So this means if you're on Instagram in the evenings, doing your normal day-to-day life, you can still be working whilst enjoying your time on Instagram. Likewise, if with your VAs or if you have any other staff members, they can do the exact same thing, scrolling on Instagram and still benefiting their business. Because we all know everyone that turns their business into a lifestyle is going to earn more money than people who work the 9 to 5 or do the little side hustle in the afternoon. If your business is your life operates around your business, then it's going to grow a lot quicker and you're going to make a lot more money. Simple as that. So this is how you do that. You simply use this OneLink extension, set it up, which takes about a minute or two. Use this OneLink extension on the AI Model Factory, which will be linked down below if you did want it. You upload your character into that character image section, 1 or 2 settings, and then you click good to go. Once that Chrome extension is then downloaded and applied to your computer, you should very easily be able to scroll through Instagram and find anything you want to convert across to your AI model. In fact, it even does Pinterest as well and other platforms online. So it's not just Instagram. So that is one way to make your life so much more efficient, by simply scrolling on Instagram like you would normally do before you go to bed and clicking a few images that you like the look of, and it directly gets replicated to your model and it's ready to go for Instagram the next day. 10 to 15 minutes a day, you can get 30, 40, maybe even 50 pieces of content if you're scrolling through pretty quickly. Creating reels for Instagram or TikTok, all of that kind of stuff is the next section of this video. It's very important that you make videos because it's going to help you be able to market your AI influencer online, and they're a lot more attractive to customers. Making these videos are often quite hard. You've got to set up the images, you've got to do all of this, do all of that. It's quite time consuming, and a lot of the time people try to outsource it for thousands a month or have to make some crazy workflow to try to automate things. What I'm going to show you today is a 2-click process where you simply click twice and you're going to generate any reel you want. This can be mimicking TikTok dances, movements, whatever you need to do. This process will help copy and replicate that. So the software is called ReelGen. It is also on the AI Model Factory, and it is a Chrome extension like we spoke about earlier. You can simply set it up in the same way you set up OneLink with one image, maybe like 2 or 3 settings to adjust, and then you click save, download the Chrome extension, and get scrolling on Instagram. Whenever you find a reel on Instagram that you like the look of, you simply click this purple button in the top left-hand corner of the square of the reel, and that will then generate that exact movement of that reel into your AI model. It's pretty good, right? So this means you don't have to download the images, you don't have to make another image that looks like the reel that you saw online, blah, 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 all of this kind of nonsense. You don't need to do any of that. You simply click the orange button and it's going to start generating for you. After about a minute, you're going to have 1 or 2 image references pop up. This is the second click of the process. If you like the images, then obviously select the one that looks best. If you don't, cancel it and just continue scrolling and looking for more reels. It's as simple as that. This second click isn't needed, but it's going to help you save some tokens and be a little bit more cost effective with the business, because what you don't want to do is to create a bad output, because that's obviously not a good way to spend your tokens, right? So having that second step is a very good way to make this more efficient process. So using both of these tools means that you just need to scroll on Instagram for about an hour a day, maybe not even that, maybe half hour a day, and you can simply create hundreds of pieces of content ready for your next day of marketing. If you don't want to scroll Instagram, you can hire a VA. They don't need any training. There's tutorials on the platform already, so you are completely hands off on doing anything. All you need to do is tell them just to make some reels on this platform with this Chrome extension, and they'll be good to go. Anyone can do it, pretty much zero training needed, whilst you can just sit back, relax, maybe look into different marketing methods, whilst all your AI content is being made for you. So you can see why my business or my AI models are doing a lot better than other people's AI models, because of it's more efficient when it comes to creating content, and it allows me a lot more time to research into marketing methods, which is going to make me money. So everything's going to be linked down below. If you did want free coupons, I'll probably drop a little coupon code down below as well, just to give you guys a head start. But hopefully this video has been helpful for you all today, and maybe I'll see you in the future.